Meaning of gamekeeper.
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 Gamekeeper. A gamekeeper is a person who is responsible for managing and protecting wildlife in a specific area, typically for hunting or fishing purposes. They are often employed by private estates or government agencies to monitor animal populations, maintain habitats, and prevent poaching. Gamekeepers may also be involved in organizing and overseeing hunting and fishing activities, as well as educating the public about wildlife conservation. Overall, the role of a gamekeeper is crucial in maintaining a healthy and sustainable ecosystem for both humans and animals.